Okay, I'm recording. I think this is her first lollipop.
This is the first lollipop and she's loving it. She's like, give it. Give it.
Fishy face, fishy face, fishy. Her hands are gonna be so sticky. Don't let her get that from you, Mommy. She'll choke. Trying to bite it.
Probably feels good on her gum. No. She's gonna end up getting it from you.
No, thank you. She's got a grip on this lollipop. You're wiping her down. I'm not doing it.
Just eat it.
Her face. She went.
Give me. Give me. Don't touch me.
Now you're fighting with her over the lollipop. Don't let her. Don't. No. Please.
She wants to chew on it.
I don't care what she wants. She's a baby. I don't want her to choke on it.
Not to. Want it?
That'll get stuck down right in her little windpipe. Haley, stop fighting Mommy. Okay, video over. You're crying. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. She's like, come on, cry. I'm upset. Bye-bye. Oh, bless you. Bye-bye.